Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
So for every 1 cup of shortening called for in a recipe, use 1 cup butter or margarine plus 2 tablespoons. Butter has a lower melting point than shortening and might change the texture of your recipe slightly, making it more or less crisp, less flaky or less fluffy.
Take our lead.
A shortening is defined as a fat, solid at room temperature, which can be used to give foods a crumbly and crisp texture such as pastry. Examples of fat used as shorteners include butter, margarine, vegetable oils and lard.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.